So if you guys remember a while back, me and Sawyer both picked up free lawnmowers and we were going to make them into mudding mowers. We made a video about it and then we sold them both. But today, Sawyer found another free mower on the side of the road that supposedly runs good. And we're going to pick that up right now. How do you feel about your new investment?
Good. I like free investments.
Already.
I'm gonna wait.
There it is.
Yeah. Right up hard. Ready? Here we go. Slam.
She roars.
She roars.
Awesome. That is loud. We got the new mudding mower in the shop. We're gonna get it running, repaint it, and it's going to be badass. No, it doesn't work without a battery.
Dumbbell.
So the mower started first pull. Sawyer got it for free. We got big plans for this thing. What do you think, Ed? Was it a good find? I mean, it was free, you know. We stole a battery from Sawyer's other lawnmower. If you guys need something to do, go pick up a free lawnmower. It is the best thing you can buy.
Buy?
Get for free. If you find a free running lawnmower, get it.
We gotta go.
Yeah,
We gotta make this thing really heavy in the back so we can pop wheelies.
that'd be fun.
Weights.
Within 20 minutes of riding this thing, the belt is destroyed. It's so muddy. Sawyer's so muddy.
That belt.
But
wait,
it was fun.
the belt fell off.
What?
The belt only fell off.
Sticks are not this mower's friend.
I'm not going through this.
So,
again.
anyways, we're trying to get the belt back on the mower, but we're gonna end the video here. Make sure to subscribe because this thing is going to be an ultimate mudding mower once we repaint it and get it going fast. So, stay tuned for that.